Ever look at your bank account at the end of the month and think, where the hell did my money go? You grind all month, but somehow your wallet stays empty. You're not dumb or lazy, it's a game that's literally built for you to lose. Society loves to say, just budget better or be more disciplined, but that's not how your brain works. The truth. Your brain is wired to chase instant rewards while billion-dollar companies use that same wiring against you. You're not bad with money, you were never taught how to handle it. Schools taught algebra, not how to file taxes or build credit. And now it feels like everyone else figured it out while you're just trying to stay afloat. If you don't change how you think about money now, you'll spend decades chasing stability that never comes. The longer you wait, the deeper the trap gets. So, what's really happening in your brain when it comes to money? Your brain is wired to hate saving money, and companies know it. That's why they always win, and you're stuck asking, why am I broke again? Hey guys, I'm Sam, and this is Sam the Finance Channel, where smart money moves start here. This video's for education only, not financial advice, but I'll show you how to stop being broke by understanding the psychology behind your money habits. Hit subscribe if you're tired of being the guy who works hard but never sees the money stick. Let's get into it. Your brain isn't built for saving, it's built for survival. Back in the day, we chased food, not future plans. That same brain now chases dopamine. That little hit you get when you buy something new. That's why saving feels boring. Your brain doesn't get that instant reward. But here's the trick. You can train your brain to love saving by making it feel like winning a game. Studies show 70% of Americans have less than $1,000 in savings. That's not just about money, it's about how our brains react to emotion over logic. We buy how we feel, not what we need. You think you'll start saving when you earn more, but that's the trap. If you can't manage $100, you won't manage 10,000. Real wealth isn't about stacking cash. It's about mastering your wants. Every time you hit add to cart, your brain lights up like Vegas. That's dopamine, your body's reward signal saying, yo, this feels amazing, do it again. You're not obsessed with buying stuff. You're hooked on that chemical rush. But here's the trap, companies know this. They design everything to keep that dopamine loop running: flash sales, notifications, only to left in stock. It's not your lack of willpower. Man, it's your brain being hacked. The average person impulse buys 4 times a week. That's around $300 gone every month. Over a year, that's $3,600. Bro, that's literally an investment fund gone because your brain wanted a quick hit of happiness. So here's the move: replace spending dopamine with progress dopamine. That same rush you get from buying, you can get it from watching your savings grow, tracking your goals, or hitting milestones. That's how you beat the game. Bro, you're not actually competing with real people, you're competing with filters and edits. Everyone online's flexing their highlight reel, not real life. The algorithm literally feeds off your insecurity and keeps you scrolling. Gen Z spends like 4 hours a day on social media, bro. That's thousands of ads sliding into your brain without you even noticing. It's like being in a maze where every turn is designed to make you spend. Real flex isn't some designer drip, it's having peace, control, and no debt chasing you. Imagine saying no to flex culture and finally breathing because your money's working for you, not against you. Most people you think are rich are drowning in credit. They're flexing pain behind the filters. Like Will Rogers said, too many people spend money they haven't earned to buy things they don't want, to impress people they don't like. Bro, you learned trigonometry, not taxes. School gave you all the formulas for triangles but never taught you how credit cards, loans, or taxes work in real life. It's wild. They trained you to be a worker, not a wealth builder. Schools teach you how to follow directions, not how to make decisions. That's why most people freeze when it's time to invest or save. No one taught them how to think about money. The system wasn't built for your freedom, it was built for your obedience. Here's the truth: -78% of people feel lost when making money decisions. It's not because they're dumb, it's because no one ever handed them the playbook. But here's the twist. You can learn faster than ever through podcasts, books, and creators. So yeah, the system might have failed you, but blaming it forever won't change anything. Learn the rules, then bend them, break them, and build your own. Like Jim Rohn said, Formal education makes you a living, self-education makes you a fortune. You know that feeling when you swipe your card and it feels like free money. That's not wealth. That's a dopamine hit disguised as success. Credit makes you feel rich while it's actually borrowing from your future. The truth is, debt doesn't make you rich, it just lets you rent a lifestyle you can't own. You think you're leveling up, but really, you're stuck on a treadmill that never stops. Most people say, if I can afford the payment, I can afford the item. But that's a lie the system wants you to believe. You're not buying freedom. You're signing a deal that trades your time for interest. Real power is when credit works for you, not against you. Imagine paying off balances, earning perks, and using credit like a weapon, not a weakness. That's when you control money, not the other way around. Let's be real, most of us avoid checking our bank accounts like it's a horror movie. You tell yourself, I'll look tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. That's not laziness. That's your brain avoiding pain. Ignoring your money feels safe, like staying in your comfort zone. But that comfort zone, it's quietly draining your dreams one swipe at a time. The longer you ignore it, the bigger the monster gets. The truth, 61% of people don't even know how much they spent last month. You can't win a game you're not even tracking. Awareness is your first weapon. Imagine checking your account without that spike of anxiety. You feel calm, confident, and in control. That's the real freedom, not running from your money, but mastering it. Money isn't just numbers, it's your mindset. Most people try to fix their wallet before fixing their thoughts. The truth is, your beliefs about money decide how rich you'll ever feel. You don't need to be rich to start acting like it. Start small, automate your savings, budget without guilt, and track your money moves each week. It's about control, not restriction. Saving just $10 a day might sound small, but that's over $3,000 a year. The secret, consistency. The small stuff compounds faster than you think. Most people quit too soon because they expect instant results. Real wealth grows quietly, one good habit at a time. Remember, small consistent wins beat short bursts of hype. Your brain is wired for spending, not saving. Society profits from your bad habits, but you can reprogram yourself through awareness, education, and small wins. If this video helped you understand money differently, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see this. Now I want to hear from you. What's one money habit you're trying to change right now? Let's talk in the comments. I'm Sam from Sam the Finance, where smart money moves start here. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's never too late to master your money.